So this is a drone, and the problem with these is that they're really loud and they have so many rules and regulations to do with flying them. Today I'm going to fix that. I was just wondering if there's like any rules if I put like a camera on a helium balloon and send it up.
That's something that would need to go through to our guidance delivery centre. You'll need to submit a web form online to our website.
Now, basically the reason that I'm doing this is because I used to shoot a lot of real estate videos, and you know, the drone is just so noisy. But I always wondered if you could get the aerial shots by using helium balloons. Now, obviously we're not going to use my DSLR as the camera. It's too expensive and it's too heavy. So we're probably going to use a GoPro. So my GoPro doesn't have a case on it, mainly because I bought it really cheap. So we're going to have to make one. Alright, so this is what we have so far. I have two little holes at the top, and these are going to hold the balloons, and then one hole at the bottom. Basically, that's where I'm going to hold it. So according to my calculations, there should be enough helium in two balloons to lift this. So they lift about 150 grams. This is 200. So let's chuck them on. So this definitely isn't something I've seen before, and I have a bit of a feeling it's not going to work. Yeah, I think we got the math wrong. I think we're gonna need another 1 or 2 balloons. Okay, we got 2 now, so I have more hope for this one. Okay, I can feel it. This is about to take off. Look, it's